Nice to see you again. Bodie and I from Bugeye Guys and Bugeye Dogs are ready to take you for a drive in Elle. Haven't run this car today. A little bit of choke for a second. This is a newly rebuilt 948 engine with 819 miles on it. Runs really well. And then a 5-speed transmission is mated, a Ford 5-speed transmission. So this is a really good setup. The other thing that's special about this car is less than a year ago we prepared this car for John, and John spent the summer with the car, but unfortunately had some health challenges and had to let the car go. So he sent it back to us to find it a new home. And what you're really buying is an amazing assemblage of a lot of new stuff. New stuff from the prior owner, and then new stuff from John. And I'll tell you more about that as we go. But basically, the first guy bought a lot of great things for this car, like the totally rebuilt engine. I think he really had it done right. And then when we prepared the car for John, who lives in Michigan, we put in a generator, alternator, and a new electronic ignition, and just about everything that you could add to make these cars as reliable as possible. So we kind of gave it the full kit, and the net effect is that you have a very, very nice driving car with new electronic gauges, new fuel gauge. Just about everything's been renewed. The dashboard was recovered, and we made the nose flip forward, so engine access is outstanding, and we reinforced that nose with X bracing. So there really isn't much left to do on this car. It's all been done for you by prior owners and in our shop. This is also a 58 Bugeye, so you have this nice slender windshield and the color match stanchions. If you're not familiar, the early Bugeyes had this more sexy chrome windshield. It's a little more slender, a little bit easier to brake, so you don't want to grab it when you get in and out of the car. But the nice thing about it is that you have these more luscious side stanchions. The later ones were aluminum colored and a little bit meatier because they wouldn't be as easy to brake. So for a 948 Bugeye, it runs really, really well. It's quite peppy. And also has a nice exhaust note. Also a nice new Motor Lita steering wheel and a good horn, so it's all really nicely prepared. Bigger rear view mirror and some stanchion side mirrors as well. And the nice thing about these 5 speeds is that even at 40 miles an hour here, we're just at 2,000 RPMs, but if you want to have a talk with your dog, gives you a little bit quieter cockpit, a little more mellow. And a lot of our customers are happy to just loaf around like this. Now we're at 30 miles an hour and just 1,700 RPMs. But you can drop it into third if you need more performance and take off again. So you have lots of choices with this gearbox. The other thing that's really nice about these gearboxes is that anybody can drive them. They're super easy to operate. There's no non-synchro first issue. or challenge, nothing to learn. Anybody can use this gearbox. It's just like any modern gearbox. This is a whole new building that they built here. Apartments. So it's really rare, as you probably know if you've watched our videos, to have a Bugeye that has no punch list. And the best way to get there is to buy a Bugeye that we've prepared. So I'm glad that after 800 miles, this is my first drive since 800 miles ago when we put in the GPS speedo. It was 0, it went to Michigan. He put 800 miles on it and now it's back. And I've got nothing new to share in terms of issues, which is really what our plan is all the time, is that the cars can go out and work for a good long time before they need any further upgrades. It's very satisfying to see that this one has performed. The steering wheel is dead straight, the alignment is right, the power is smooth and there are no dead spots. The ride quality is excellent. You know, there are no dead spots. There's no flutter in any of the corners, and the car is very tight. You have an immediate response from the steering wheel. These are all the things that I'm constantly checking for when the cars depart, and I'm really glad that after 800 miles, nothing has changed, which is exactly our goal. The dog has such a good counter lean for all these turns. He's used to this. So I have one item which we'll work on, and that's that the nose is just a little tight somewhere. There's a little bit of nose noise that we can address. Usually it has to do with either the rubber bumpers somewhere or the alignment of the hinges in the front. All things that we can adjust and tune here, and we will do that for this car. But that's my entire punch list. We still have excellent oil pressure too. 2,600 RPMs, 58 pounds of pressure or so. That's high, and that's good. That's what we'd expect to see from a newly rebuilt engine. So there you have it, a Bugeye prepared for you. If you're interested, please get in touch at our website, bugeyeguys.com. And thank you for driving with me today. We have the high beam indicator here. And we'll get a little closer to show you the lights. This is pretty bright still. high beam, low beam, high beam, low beam. So that's good. That's also all set up. One last thing, he has this, I don't know if you can, here, we'll do you a favor and take you right over here. These electronic, pause for a Bodhi, electronic speedos have these functions. So here's north, the max speed so far is 72. That may have been mine just trying to set it up for departure and test it. Then you have 0 to 60, this is that function here, quarter mile, and you hold it in, and then once you start moving, see now it's zeroed out. Once the GPS speedo starts to move, it will time your quarter mile, which is kind of fun if you like that sort of thing. Aborted, quarter mile, copyright info, back to a trip odometer, 22.5, but 822 miles total. This is to, what is that one? I can't remember what 216 is. Need some glasses. 2:16 p.m. That's the clock. The altitude is 31 feet above sea level. And if you want to read your speed digitally, I don't know why you would, because the analog thing works nicely. You have 0 miles an hour. So heading is north, max speed 72, 0 to 60, quarter mile. Copyright, trip odometer, that's where most of these live. You hold this in to reset it. So now we have 0 for the trip odometer. So that will allow us to sort of restart the clock. The lights are over here if you're unfamiliar, side lights and headlights. And it idles really nice and smoothly, as you can see. And that's what we have today from Bodhi Dog.